Okay, guys, so yesterday you read chapter 3, and today you're going to read chapter 4. Okay, guys, you remember yesterday we wrote these words in our yellow reading notebook, and so get that out so that when you're reading chapter 4 today, you can find the rest of the words. Remember, you're looking at the text and you're inferring the meaning of these 4 words. You should have found some of them yesterday, but look for the rest of them today with your buddy. Intruder, idyllic, onerous, adjacent. Okay, and remember you're thinking on these questions. And today you're going to answer these questions, so be thinking about them. How do the swans respond when they realize they are being watched? Number 2, who is the visitor? Number 3, how does a cygnet hatch? Number 4, why is the cob acting vain, very self-centered? It's all about him. And number 5, how does the cob introduce Sam to the cygnets? Okay, this is what I would like for you to do today. First of all, read chapter 4 with your reading buddies. If you both want to read it silently and then just discuss it afterwards, that is okay too. Just whatever works with your buddy. Remember to keep your voices low if you're reading aloud to each other. Also, make sure not one person is reading the whole thing, but take turns. Number 2, as you're reading, think about the questions that we just went over and talk about them with your buddies. Then number 3, you're going to go to Google Classroom and you're going to answer the questions for chapter 3 and 4. Remember to use complete sentences when typing your answer. If you can't find the Google form for the chapter 3 and 4, remember you could ask the 2 technicians, which are Andrew and Dawson. You can check with them and they can help you find that. And remember, when you're typing your answers today to those 5 questions, you need to type them in sentence form. You'll need a capital at the beginning, a period or punctuation at the end. So remember to write those in sentence form. Okay, once you're finished, you may have reading workshop and you may read around the room or on Epic. And since today is Friday, I'm going to let you guys do comic books on Epic. Okay, have a great weekend. Bye.